Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaron Babcock, and I'm going to be going over the United States coins 2024. This is patriotic American history of this subject, and there's a long history of coins of the world, and for America, we can go back to the 1600s to the present day. Now, before the 1600s, we know that Spain and France and Britain had land in different areas as well, with Native Americans integrating with those three cultures a lot. But going back to the Pilgrims of the 1600s on the East Coast and working its way west to the Pacific Ocean, there's a long history of coins, and a lot of them are buried, and that's why it's good to have a good metal detector. This one's from Mine Lab, and it was I just bought one. It was about $300, but the $1,000 ones are really good out there, but it seems to be doing all right for me. But anyway, let's get to it. So this is a really good starter book for beginners on coins. The author is right there, R.S. Yeoman, and you can find this book in a lot of coin shops. They make these books every year, and so you got your introduction, and you got your issues. So you see all your different years of coins, bullions, and so a simple way of, you got your colonial issues starting that way, and you got your large cents and small cents like pennies. You got your dimes. So a good way to start is just go to the top and see what subject you want to get to. You got your half dollars. And so there's a chart on the different mintage in the beginning of the book and throughout the book, where you can see what these all define as, and then you got your values of the different years. So this is a really good book to start with. You got your eagles and commemoratives. So there's a lot of nice looking coins out there, really beautiful out there. So the last section, and then you get into the gold bullions. And so in the next video, we'll talk about that. Gold and silver bullions, and then the third video, we'll talk about precious metals depositories. So anyway, this is a good starter book for coins to look up on your hunt when you find them after metal detecting or going through change. You can find a lot of old dates in the money. A lot of children like that little hunt, and it can be a lot of fun for them. And so that's a good book for children and adults to get started with, and a good metal detector. And I believe that's about all I can say. Good luck on your coin hunting, and it's a lot of fun. And what else? You can always buy a few rolls of coins at a bank and go through them under a big magnifying glass, and sometimes you find some really old coins that are worth value, and it's kind of fun for kids to do that and kind of get to know the different years out there. Like the 1900s had a lot of copper in the pennies, and then they started just changing the mint. So older coins are worth money, and as you know, and errors. There's a book of errors also to get online that you should get, and learn what errors can be on a coin. There was one error for Abe Lincoln of a double ear, and 2 L's in Liberty, and those are worth thousands and thousands of dollars. So you never know what you got until you got a good magnifying glass and get the right books to study. So anyway, this is a good starter kit, and good luck hunting for old coins, and hopefully very, very valuable, and you can save them for your retirement and sell them, or you can just collect and give them to someone you care about. All right, talk to you later. Great, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe if you like these videos.